Hey everybody, it's Husky. I'm going to try to make this short and sweet. I'm going to be showing you guys how to change eye color on Adobe Photoshop. So let's get right into it. So I have a picture of this woman I found on Google. So first thing we're going to do is right click the layer, choose layer from background. Now we're going to zoom into the eyes. And you have a few options here, but I'm going to choose my quick selection tool. Just going to select the eye. Control Z it. Alright, right there. I'm going to right click and choose layer via copy. Now go back to that original layer, bottom right, layer 0. We're going to choose the other eye too. Really just the pupil, or not the pupil, but the color. Again, right click, choose layer via copy. And you'll see right there, we have our two eyes. So now let's say the woman in this picture, she has kind of like a, I don't know what you call that, hazel. So let's change it. So I'm going to use my switch tools, but I'm going to right click this. One of the layers we made doesn't really matter, it just can't be a main one. Right click it, go to blending options. What we're going to do is we're going to go to color overlay. Now you'll see it whites it out, but what we're actually going to do is choose color. From here, see, these aren't really natural colors. So let's say I want brown. So I would go to kind of the yellowish orange. We'll go right there. You'll see right there we kind of have a dark brown. I'll push OK. And now if I want the other eye, it's pretty easy. I just right click that layer we just worked on. So right click it, go to copy layer style. Now click on the other layer that doesn't have it. Right click again and go to paste layer style. You'll see now we have brown eyes. And it kind of changes it up. There's other ways to do this, but that's just the way I do it. We can even go again to blending options, and as you saw, you can get crazy with it. Nope, get this out of here. If I do that, it doesn't really look natural. So let's say if I wanted green, again I would go here. Or just keep going down. And as you see, there's a little green right here too. So how you get rid of that is you go find your eraser tool right here. We're going to down the size a little bit. Make sure it's on soft round. And you can do this. You'll see kind of gets rid of that. Now if we zoom out, yeah, so again, if we want this on the other eye, we're going to right click. We're going to copy layer style, go to your layer, paste layer style. And there you go. So here's our original image, then here's the edit. So yeah, just want to make it short and sweet. I hope this can help somebody. If you like the video, please check out my other ones. And yeah, see you guys next time.